Hello there, I'm Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and I have two brand new projects to share. These are box and album sets. This is the Petals and Possibilities box and album set, and this one is the Berry Sweet Days box and album set. These come complete with step-by-step instructions on how to create these handmade keepsakes from start to finish. These are designed for 4x6 photos. So this one has a super fabulous closure, and I'll show you what this is all about in a minute. Take those photos off your phone, put them on display with something like this. A handmade album in box. These albums are approximately 8x8 in size. The perfect way to display your photos, 4x6 and below. This one has a pop-up. I know many of you love pop-ups. Let me show you. Down and down. Gotta lift it a little bit. The table's in the way. This is that. One more time. With your purchase, the tutorial takes you step by step through the process. There's a cutting guide. There's videos that take you through the construction process, through the decorating process for every single one of these pages. Take a look at that. How beautiful. So much to see. The sample I'm showing here is featuring the Petals and Possibilities paper collection, but you can use your own papers. You can follow the same principles that I walk you through in the decorating process and use your own paper choices. Perhaps you have a theme in mind. Perhaps you want to make this for a wedding. Petals and Possibilities may not be the right paper choice for your wedding album. Pick your papers, watch the videos, go through the decorating process with me, and you will end up with a keepsake that is worthy of putting on display. Let's take a look at this closure. Slides out, and photos, my friends, right here on the cover. Let's hold it up with my chin. How fun. Slips right back in there. And this goes on the box. The box stays closed, but I added a little something extra special. Guess why? Another opportunity for embellishments and photos. So the band slips right over the box, and you have this fun interaction right on the front of the box. It's just beautiful, 360 degrees. Remember, pick your own papers if these papers are not in line with what you're thinking of for a project and the photos that you may have in mind. Let's take a look at the Berry Sweet Days. Woo, it's so pretty. Another unique box, 100% Paper Phenomenon. Lots of interaction right on the front of the box. This one opens up like so. There's that magnetized closure. Berry Sweet Days is the paper collection. Look at this. So you get pockets right on the box. This one also opens up for photos and more photos. And then of course the album. Another showstopper. It's so pretty. The paper is absolutely stunning. You don't have to go strawberry picking to use these papers. Instead of letting your photos sit forgotten on your phone, these projects give you a reason to print them, display them, and share them with friends and family. The pages in these albums are photo focus, fun to flip through, and designed to turn your memories into keepsakes you will love revisiting. These projects are part of the Turning Pages year-long series. Why Turning Pages? 1 year, 12 albums, 12 boxes. Each album introduces new techniques, interactive elements. Collecting monthly albums allows you to build your album making skills and your box making skills, creating a beautiful library of handmade keepsakes for the year. The best part, 50% off during the 4th of July sale. Comment minis and I'll send you the discount code. Thanks so much for watching.